Hi, this video is going to be on the supernatural. The supernatural is a key theme in Macbeth, and it's played out through a number of the characters in the play, the most obvious of these being the witches. When the witches are on stage, bad weather often surrounds them, and this highlights the chaos that the supernatural brings to the natural world in the play. One of the most clear ways we can see the witches carry out their supernatural powers is in Act 1, where they create their prophecies. Their prophecies foreshadow a lot of what else happens in the play, and they also lead to the downfall of our protagonist, Macbeth. Because Macbeth is clouded by his ambition and his desire for power, he fails to think critically about the prophecies and it ends up being misled by them. This contrasts with Banquo. Banquo describes the witches and their prophecies as instruments of darkness, which shows he's less trusting towards the supernatural. And this highlights the differences between those two characters. The supernatural also plays itself out through Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth calls on evil spirits to help her in the play. A 17th century audience watching this would have aligned these evil spirits and Lady Macbeth with witchcraft. And because at the time witchcraft was seen to be working with the devil, this would have highlighted the evil in Lady Macbeth and set her up as an evil character. So hopefully you can see how the supernatural works in the play and how it often leads to the Macbeth's downfalls. Thank you for listening.